Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart, and I am here to share an album that I made using Not Too Shabby Shop's watermelon collection as part of their subscription box of the month, I think for May. So kind of my goal this summer is to kind of get caught up, and I want to kill a bunch of paper pads. I need to work through a lot of the stuff that I have. So the easiest way to kill a paper pad is to make an album with it, because you can use up a lot of paper. So this album actually, I think it's, I can't remember the exact name of the site that I got the tutorial from. So I'll try and remember to post a link in the description. I think it's Let's Get Scrappy or Let's Get Crafty. I can't remember, one of those. But it is a trifold folio. I always struggle with trifolds because I can never get it to like lay right. It always lays a little bit awkward for me. It doesn't lay as straight as it does for other people. So anyway, I always struggle with the trifold, but I think I did okay. The album measures 7.5 by 5-ish. And so the paper that I'm using is 6 by 6. So I'm having to do some piecing together and being creative with the sizing. So I think it's really just to show you also that you can be creative with paper even if you don't have the right size. So the front cover, because I used two different patterns of paper. And then I've got 2 ephemera pieces here on my cover. This one I just punched out a scallop circle and put this circle ephemera right on top. And then we've got this little bunting banner. And then here is the spine. So the spine, again, so I'm trying to at least follow this and have, well, at least this part is like the red, and then this is like the rind. It's kind of my thought of it. So here's the back, and then I used some, and here's the side right here, because it's a trifold. So that has that same watermelon. Try to be consistent. So I've got some seam binding here, and so the album opens up like this. And so I've got some ephemera. I used a lot of ephemera in here, and then I've got 2 pockets. It's a very long pocket right here. And then this pocket right here. And then I've got just a strip here. And I kind of piece this together so I could use the same piece right here. And then here is sort of the back of the back. And you flip it open like this. And so this piece right here, I actually used the carrier sheet, you know, the paper that's in the front. Let me see if I've got one here that I can show you. I actually cut this down a lot of times when I'm making projects and I need more paper. It's this front sheet right here. And so I just cut down, and I use that a lot where I cut down paper and I use that front piece. So it can be used. Just keep that in mind. So this has got a magnet, kind of keeps it from flying all over the place. And then it opens like this. So I'm going to start with the middle. So the middle has a pocket that pulls out. And then here is this, lots of room right here. And then this has a magnet that kind of keeps this part from flying out around all over the place. And then here's the back side. And so you can see how I kind of piece together because it's bigger than 6'6". So this is another pocket on this side. And so, and then this fits right back in here. So it's like this, and then here, right here. And then so I did a pocket here. And then it's just a little booklet that I can use up scrap. And then here's this side right here. I just put white paper here down and then just used a piece of scrap for it. And then this side right here, it's got a magnet. And so this is just a waterfall feature, and then I used the back side of each page as a way to use some of the smaller ephemera pieces. Okay. Oops. And then it just folds up like so. And this part just ties up. And so that is my little mini album. And so I used a ton of the paper, and I think it came out pretty good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crying with a Heart.